Hey guys, I am so excited because my random box of crap just showed up for the month, and it's going to be the Christmas edition, so you know it's going to be a good one. Let me show you what they sent me this month, okay? Hope you're ready for it. Oh, now this is exciting. So to start out, it looks like we got not one, but two AA batteries. Now these are Rayovac AA's, so you know those are good ones. Let's see what else we have in here. So it looks like we have a cowboy boot. Now this one is for the left side. There's no right side, just the left side, but for like photos and stuff, these are going to look great in photos as long as they're on the right side of my body. So let's see what else we got. This is, these are wrapping paper particles. Now it looks like as long as you have a package that's going to be about the right size, these are just going to be great for wrapping those gifts. And look, they have a glitter design on it, so it's, you know, pretty adorable. This is great. This is great. Remember, you can sign up for your own box of crap. It's only $29.99 a month, and you get a whole bunch of stuff in it. So all sorts of cool things. Oh, this is exciting. This is a plain white t-shirt. Now, you know, Kanye sells these for like $400 each. So for $29.99 for this box, I got my own plain white t-shirt. This is huge. Okay. What else do we have in here? There's a hair tie that a girl left at my house one time. A lot of people need these. You never know when that could come in handy, whether you have a girl at your house that needs a hair tie, or if you want to just put it on your wrist, like a bracelet. All sorts of fun stuff that can come out of that. Oh, we got a half full jar of olives. Now, this is really cool because I can't tell you how many times I think to myself, I need some olives, but I don't want a full jar. So this half jar will definitely come in handy. Very cool, very cool. And we also have a Jesus nightlight. Now, Jesus is the reason for the season, so including that in the box, the people at Box of Crap really making sure that we know this is a Christmas box. Remember to subscribe yourself to the Box of Crap. All you have to do is sign up. You pay $29.95. They send you all sorts of cool stuff every month just like this. And hey, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you know, watch what I do next month when we get our Box of Crap. Boxofcrap.com is that website. And hey, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go put on my plain white t-shirt and my cowboy boot.